Hi, my name is Jamie Williams. I'm an academic advisor at Butler Community College, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to enroll online using your Pipeline account. The first step is really to take a look at the course schedule, find the courses that you want, and you can do that really easily by going to the main Butler page, butlercc.edu, clicking on academics, and then going to course schedule. For fun, we are going to take a look at fall 2020 history classes. So we're going to look up the subject. In this case, it'll be HS for history. And we want open classes that have seats available. We're going to leave everything else open for now, or at the default. And as you get more familiar with this, you might want to change that, but for now, let's just bring up all the history classes that we have available in the fall. And let's take a look at US history, just as an example. You'll get lots of information from the schedule, the day that the class meets, the campus location, the type of instruction. So traditional is a traditional face-to-face class. We also have blended. Blended would be part online, part face-to-face, and then we also have completely online. It'll show you the beginning and end date, the time that it meets, information about the instructor, if there's one assigned, and also information about the book. If we scroll down, we'll see also some of those completely online classes. And I think the other thing that you want to note on here is the beginning and end dates. These are all traditional 16-week classes. They begin in August, end in December, but you will notice on here that there are different dates for some classes, so you want to keep that in mind as you look through this. So let's just say that we would like this history class in Andover. This works for our schedule. We're going to copy this number right here. We're going to go back to the main Butler page. We're going to log into Pipeline. If you do have any challenges getting onto Pipeline, don't hesitate to call the help desk. They can help you get things rolling again with your account. Once we're in Pipeline, we will go to Student Quick Clicks and Add Drop Classes. And then click on this Add Drop Classes link, select the term, Fall 2020. Be sure to read through the information, and then you'll simply just copy, paste your information into the box, click Submit Changes, and then scroll down, and you will see that you have web registered for History 131. Be sure to click Complete Registration. This will take you to information about fees, payment dates, important dates, and also your total charge for your class. All right, well, it's simply that easy. If you do have any trouble while you're working on your schedule, be sure to contact advising. We are happy to help. Thanks, hope you have a great day.